up? How much? You have class? No, you're just walking around? Yeah? Cool. Sure. Do you talk? No, do you? What are your names?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you? Why'd you hesitate? Why are you not gonna talk? Are you on like some kind of dare to get somebody's number without talking? Would it help out if I gave it to you? What do you get if you win? Money? How much? 100? If you get a kiss, you get more? Sorry. 100 not good enough? You can do plenty with 100. You're just lucky I'm not asking you for half. This is half my doing.
2 hours later.
Like, are you from California?
No, I'm French.
Oh, wow.
Paris.
Let me hear. You look real cute today.
C'est très mignon aujourd'hui.
Ooh, I like that. That's good.
Yeah, it's my little party trick. Everybody likes it.
You got some pretty eyes, though. Can I get to know you more? It was
Thank
first
you.
a prank or a video, but I think we could probably take it a little further.
Well, you already got my number, so
This your number?
yeah, this is my number.
What's your flake rate?
What's my what?
I need to know if you're going to flake on me or not.
Flake on you for what?
Like if I want to see you and go for a walk or something.
I'll think about it.
All right, back. Give me a hug.
Wait, what's your name?
New.
New?
Yeah, I'm going to text you.
I'm Nora.
Nora and New. Shit don't sound no better than Nora and New. Like, come on now. But I got you though. I'm gonna hit you up.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Nice to meet you.
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry.
Give me your goddamn number. Come on, hurry up.
Oh, my number? Oh, sure. There it is.
Cool.
Teresa is the name. Nice to meet you.
Right.
Oh my gosh, you scared me. Hi. How are you? Nice to meet you.